So guys, we're just going to open our Capcut app, tap on the new project, go ahead to add the video that you want to work with. Just tap on the add down below and it's going to take you to this part. Now you want to listen to your video.
Okay guys, just for this tutorial I'm going to be changing just my clothes. I just want to show you how to do the flame and transition using the Capcut app. So you're just going to start filming, like, I don't know, whatever.
So I just started filming. Normally this is where you will start from. It's because of this tutorial I'm doing all of this. So you split that place where you started and then now drag the video to that part where your hand is covering the lens of your phone and split. Okay, so normally you would have two videos that you're working with. Is the before and the after. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how I change, so that I'll be ready for the next shot. Now I'm just going to split the part where I'm ready. Yeah, so for you this is your own second video. So I make sure that my hand, I dragged the video to where my hand is covering the lens of my phone, just like the first time. And then I'm going to split. After I watch, like, I'm okay with this. Okay, this part is okay. I don't want it to be too long.
The transition may not be too noticeable, but you can do that with the shooting gun and what have you. So just be creative. I'll show you how to.
So I'm just going to delete that part. I'll go to the first video and delete the part. Normally you're supposed to be working with just two videos, the before and the after. Yeah, so this is our before, this is the after. Guys, so smooth. The transition is so smooth. So I'll show you how to add the flame now. Just tap on that center box, the white box there. When you tap on it, you're going to tap on, it's going to bring you here. So look for effect and look for flame. I'm just going to reduce the number of seconds like it will take for the flame to appear. That's why you see this going up and coming down. So once you're done with that, you're okay with what you have. Let's just watch it and see. Guys, this is what it looks like. Yeah.